Happy morning, happy afternoon, happy evening to all my Nanbas and Nanbis. I have a game plan for all the students writing Group 2 in September 26 or Jan 2027. Of course, Group 2 is my forte. I take 150 marks out of the total 300 in Group 2. Costing is taken by Tabish sir, you all know he is a all India rank holder. FM is taken by Tax Taleva sir, that is Deepak sir, and three of us are going to take this group 2 subject. Now, when is this happening? This is power packed classes morning till evening. You're going to look at our faces only for these 3 months, guys. June, July, and August. 3 months, just a matter of 3 months. I want your dedicated efforts to us. Whatever we say, whatever we say, you have to follow blindly. Blindly follow for 3 months. If we give homework, do the homework. If we give test, do the test. Tell yourself, these 3 months I'm going to dedicate in my life to you, ma'am. June, July, August, I will dedicate to you. Then in September, if you go and write the exam, why results will not come, you tell me? Why it will not come? It will definitely come. Just have this mindset that 3 months I am going to give it to ma'am. Whatever she says, I am going to follow. Not only me, guys, not only me, the three faculties. Whatever we say, you have to follow. And if you follow, the success is yours. Why I'm saying all of these things is because we have limited seats. Only 25 seats are available. If you are serious, you please come. The offline class is happening in Chennai in Adyar. Ma'am, I'm an online student. I will not be able to come. No problem. Fusion regular is there for you. If you can travel to Chennai or if you're already in Chennai, then you can come for the offline class which is happening in Adyar in Chennai. I've given the address also. Now, where can you find these classes? You have to go to the CA Classroom website. You just come down. Here I told you, right? For online students, you can get the Fusion regular group 2 is here. For offline, who can travel to Chennai, just get into this and you have to put in your attempt. Don't make mistake here. September 26 or Jan 2027, you will just put in your attempt. Like I said, 3 months proper dedicated effort. If you are able to give, definitely you will clear the examination. Offline, you're going to meet us every single day. Every single day. You can see everything here. All of this will be there. DIRA test is included. I told you, test compulsory. You have to write. Batch size limited to only 25 members for the attempt September 26, Jan 2027. Faculty details, class duration. If you have any doubts, you can WhatsApp this number. Please WhatsApp this number if you have any doubts about this offline class or online class, whatever it is. But one thing, guys, one thing which I want to tell you, only if you are serious. If you think that 3 months, yes ma'am, I'm going to give it to you, I'm going to follow whatever you say, you sit there itself and study. I will say like that. After class 2 hours, you sit there itself in class and study. That means you have to sit there and study. You go home, finish this homework, come back tomorrow. That means you have to finish that homework. It's just a matter of 3 months, guys. I am telling you, your future self is going to thank you for the effort that you're going to put for these 3 months. Have that mindset that I am going to give you, ma'am. I am going to put the full efforts, ma'am. I'm going to follow everything that you say. If you're serious, then only you register, guys. Only 25 seats. If you're not serious, it's a waste of time for you, waste of time for me also. That is the reason why I'm repeating this again and again. And yes, guys, for all the students who are giving the promise and who are coming to class, now the ball is in my court. I will make you pass. It is on me. I will see to that I will give you the best of resources, best of books, the best of classes, and of course, lots of fun we will be having in class. And yes, guys, I will see you all the very best.